The world is yourself pushed out. Ask yourself what you want, and then give it to yourself. Do not question how it will come about. Just go your way, knowing that the evidence of what you have done must appear, and it will. Neville Goddard. Imagine possessing a key that unlocks the answers to your deepest questions and challenges. Across the world, countless individuals seek rapid solutions and definite outcomes to navigate the twists and turns of life. Today, we're exploring a powerful secret prayer technique, a tool that has stood the test of time, offering not just hope, but guaranteed results. This isn't just any method, it's a promise of clarity and accomplishment, tailored to fit the modern era where immediate results are not just desired, but often needed. In our journey through life, we often search for tools that bridge the gap between our desires and reality. The secret prayer we're discussing today is one such ancient tool, refined through generations to suit our contemporary needs. Its roots trace back to profound wisdom traditions, where sages and common folk alike tapped into a universal source of power through simple yet profound utterances. This practice, though ancient, has been adapted for today's challenges, providing a streamlined approach to achieving one's goals. By harnessing this timeless technique, we connect with a lineage of success, drawing on age-old practices that have been simplified for efficiency in our fast-paced world. This secret prayer, stripped of any specific traditional or religious identifiers, offers a universal solution, a way to manifest desires into reality through clear intention and focused will. Ever wondered how certain practices guarantee outcomes that almost seem predestined? The secret prayer we're discussing operates on a principle that is as profound as it is age-old: alignment with the universal laws that govern outcomes. This alignment is not mere chance, but a calculated synchronization of one's deepest intentions with the forces that shape our reality. Imagine tossing a pebble into a still pond. The ripples that radiate outward are predictable, consistent, and certain. Similarly, when you use the secret prayer, it's like sending out a ripple of your deepest desires into the universe. The universal law of cause and effect takes over, ensuring that what goes out comes back, enriched and aligned with your desires. People from all walks of life have turned to this method as a beacon of hope and a reliable source of strength. Picture a young artist struggling with self-doubt and creative blocks. By employing this secret prayer, she finds her sessions more fruitful, her mind clearer, and her art more profound. Her testimonial shares how, with consistent practice, she not only overcame her blocks, but also landed her first gallery showcase. Or consider the story of a small business owner whose enterprise was teetering on the brink of failure. Accepting the power of this secret prayer, he sought not just survival, but prosperity. The results? A turnaround that saw his business not only recover, but flourish, attracting new clients and opportunities within months. How does one learn this powerful technique? It begins with understanding that simplicity is at the core of its mastery. Here are the steps anyone can follow to integrate this prayer into daily life. Set your intention. Clearly define what you seek from the universe, whether it's resolution, success, or peace. Your intention must be clear and precise. Find your space. Choose a quiet place where interruptions are minimal. This space should feel safe and serene, a personal sanctuary where you can connect deeply with your thoughts. Cultivate a routine. Consistency is key. Dedicate a specific time each day to this practice. Early morning or late evening, the choice is yours, but keep it consistent. The prayer itself. Use a simple, structured phrase that embodies your intention. This phrase should be positive, present tense, and filled with conviction. Visualize. As you recite your prayer, visualize the outcome. See in vivid detail what the fulfillment of your prayer looks like. Engage all your senses in this visualization. Release your intentions. Conclude each session by mentally or verbally releasing your intentions into the universe, affirming your trust that the outcomes you seek are now set in motion. Gratitude. Finish with a moment of gratitude. Thankfulness is a powerful amplifier in the universe and will magnify the effects of your prayer. Through these steps, the secret prayer becomes more than just words. It becomes a daily ritual that transforms intention into reality. Its simplicity belies its power, making it accessible to anyone, anywhere. This practice doesn't require one to be steeped in esoteric traditions or spiritual doctrines. Instead, it invites each person to tap into a universal energy that is as old as time, yet as fresh as each new dawn. By adopting this technique, individuals empower themselves to forge a direct path to their desires. The simplicity of the method ensures that anyone, regardless of their background or beliefs, can achieve mastery and see tangible results in their lives. As more and more people share their successes, the narrative of the secret prayer continues to grow, offering a beacon of hope and a testament to the power of aligned intentions. In the realm of personal transformation and achievement, understanding the timing of expected results is crucial. The secret prayer, a technique rooted in age-old wisdom, aligns with the universal laws, ensuring that each sincere application is met with a response. But how soon can one expect to see these responses? The truth lies in the nature of the intention and the consistency of the practice. For some, results manifest in a matter of days. For others, it may take weeks or even months. The key is persistence and maintaining a focus on the desired outcome without wavering. It's important to set realistic expectations. While the secret prayer is powerful, it is not a magic wand. The effectiveness of this technique is proportional to the user's commitment and belief. Visualize a gardener planting seeds. Just as it takes time for the seeds to sprout and grow, the fruits of your prayer will develop in due course. This period of waiting is not a sign of failure, but a natural progression towards fulfillment. The distinctiveness of the secret prayer technique lies in its simplicity and universality. Unlike other methods that may require elaborate rituals or specific conditions, this prayer is straightforward and adaptable. Its power does not diminish with the simplicity of its approach. Rather, it becomes more accessible to a broader audience. While other techniques often necessitate previous knowledge or spiritual alignment, the secret prayer is designed for everyone, regardless of their spiritual or cultural background. Moreover, The secret prayer does not bind one to a particular dogma or philosophical system. Its universal appeal ensures that it can be integrated into any lifestyle or belief system, enhancing its accessibility and ease of adoption. This adaptability sets it apart from more rigid practices that might require more time, resources, or specific environmental conditions to be effective. In comparing this method with others, one finds that the secret prayer offers a direct, personal connection to the desired outcomes. There's no intermediary or external entity. It's purely about the individual's intent and the universe's response. This direct line not only simplifies the process, but also enhances the personal nature of the practice, making it a deeply personal endeavor that reflects the unique desires and aspirations of the user. Thus, while accepting the secret prayer technique, it's vital to approach it with patience and an open heart. The results are as sure as the sunrise, but just as the dawn follows the night at its own pace, so too will the answers to your prayers arrive in their own perfect timing. This understanding reinforces not just belief in the method, but also a deeper appreciation for the process itself, fostering a mindset attuned to both gratitude and anticipation. Dare to believe in the reality of your assumption and watch the world play its part relative to its fulfillment. Neville Goddard. Throughout history, the echoes of success stories have always inspired us to explore new possibilities. Imagine a writer, once silenced by her own doubts, finding her voice through the consistent application of the secret prayer. Each morning, she began her day with a focused intent to connect with her creative essence. The results were nothing short of miraculous. Not only did her writer's block dissolve, but she also completed her first novel in record time, a dream she had shelved for years. Consider another case, a small-town entrepreneur whose business was struggling to gain traction. He turned to the secret prayer with a simple but powerful plea for prosperity and the wisdom to attract customers. Within months, his business transformed, seeing a surge in clients and a robust increase in revenue. His testimonial speaks of the profound impact of aligning his desires with the universal energies, an experience that not only changed his business, but his entire outlook on life. These stories, and countless others like them, share a common thread of transformation achieved through the secret prayer. They serve as beacons of potential, illuminating the effectiveness of this ancient yet adaptable technique. To bring this powerful tool into your life, start by clearly defining what you seek to change or achieve. Whether it's overcoming personal hurdles, enhancing professional success, or fostering deeper relationships, the secret prayer begins with a clear and focused intent. Next, integrate this practice into your daily routine. Choose a moment each day, perhaps at dawn or as the evening settles, to quietly reflect on your intention. During this time, hold your desire at the center of your thoughts and articulate your prayer with conviction and clarity. Visualize the outcome as already unfolding, seeing the end result with all its details as if it were currently happening. This visualization is crucial as it bridges the gap between desire and manifestation. As you conclude your prayer, Send out your intentions into the universe with an open heart, trusting in the process. Allow yourself to feel the certainty that what you seek is on its way. Then, carry on with your day, keeping your belief in the inevitability of your success steady and unwavering. Regularly revisiting your intentions in this manner not only reinforces your desires, but also keeps your actions aligned with your goals. This alignment is where the power of the secret prayer lies, as it is not just a call to the universe, but also a call to action within yourself. Each repetition of the prayer deepens your resolve and clarifies your path forward. Through these simple steps, the secret prayer becomes more than just a ritual. It transforms into a daily affirmation of your capability and potential. Each success story began with a single, heartfelt plea, and each step forward was guided by the clarity and power of this timeless practice. As you set on this journey, recall that the stories of past successes are not just tales of achievement, but signals of the possibilities that await when you tap into the profound power of the secret prayer. In the realm of personal transformation, every tool, no matter how powerful, comes with its set of considerations and boundaries. The secret prayer is no exception. While its potential is vast, it is important to approach this practice with a sense of responsibility and realism. It is crucial to understand that the secret prayer is not a magical solution that works independently of your actions and choices. The efficacy of this technique is closely tied to personal effort and the genuine intent behind each prayer. Additionally, it should be used ethically, respecting the freedom and well-being of others, ensuring that one's desires do not impinge on another's rights or happiness. There are also practical considerations. The outcomes of the secret prayer are influenced by the clarity and consistency of one's practice. Misaligned intentions or sporadic practice can dilute its effectiveness, leading to mixed results. Therefore, it is imperative to maintain a disciplined approach, continuously aligning one's intentions with positive actions and ethical considerations. As we near the end of this video, recall that the power of the secret prayer lies within you. It is a tool to not only aim for what you wish to achieve, but also to actively forge a path towards it. Let this technique be a daily part of your life, a regular practice that you refine and perfect as you grow. The potential for transformation and achievement is immense, limited only by your commitment and belief. I encourage you to make this prayer a cornerstone of your daily routine, to explore its profound impact on your life. As you do so, may your journey be filled with strength, clarity, and overwhelming success. If this message resonates with you, please consider liking this video and subscribing to the channel for more insights and guidance. Together, let's unlock the potential that lies within each of us through the power of prayer.